Why is my dishwasher making a loud noise?
You did not put enough space between the dishes, and now they all clank against each other as the jet goes.
I know what dishes and cups hitting each other sound like, and this isn't that noise.
If the dishwasher is not getting water, you'll hear a high-pitched wind and the motor noise will seem unusually loud because it isn't drowned out by the water.
I know a water valve stuck open will lead to constant water noise until I open the door and it floods.
At some point, I'll want to hear that story.
All you need to know is that it ended with a loud scream.
If the sprayer arms are off kilter because it is loose, you'll hear extra whirring and even banging if it hits stuff.
It is not quite as obvious as that. It is not a regular bang.
There are all kinds of things that can cause motor noise.
The dishwasher does run, though not well.
If there is a small item like an almond stuck down in the motor, it will make extra noise as it tries to run.
We do a decent job cleaning plates before putting them in the dishwasher.
That does not mean that there aren't metal shavings around the motor, making extra noise as it tries to run.
Where would the metal shavings come from?
The motor is wearing out and metal rubs on metal as it wears down.
That can create a fire hazard, though in a metal box full of water, that seems strange to say.
You'll hear grinding too, if metal is grinding on metal.
I do not think this is grinding.
The pump could be defective. If it is not pressurizing the spray arms properly or unevenly, you'll hear uneven jets of water on dishes.
And it is supposed to be a regular sort of noisy.
The wash arm seal or bearing ring could be loose, making extra noise as the spray arms do not move smoothly.
I do not even know where those are. I cannot imagine how they got loose.
They can wear down over time.
If it is worn down, the solution is replacing it.
But check that the spray arms are turning freely, first, and that they are not wobbly. And make sure there are not pieces of corn or nuts in the jets, rattling around as it tries to clean dishes.
A dishwasher should not be as clogged as a garbage disposal.
A clogged drain could be noisier as the water tries to go down, or the impeller that grinds up the food is clogged and extra noisy as it tries to act like a garbage disposal.